Hi there, I'm off to holiday soon in Paris, and I want to experience its sights and its sounds, so I'm going to try this Sound Around You software. Basically, I've gone to the Sound Around You website, downloaded the PC client software, which is a doddle, and now I'm installing the mobile phone software. I've got a PDA phone, a Windows mobile phone, so I'm just copying over the application to my mobile phone. I'm going to my file directory to find the install file. Here we go. Install it. There's some security things. I say yes. And there. Ready to install it and run it. So there it is on my mobile phone, starting up. And the first thing I should see, yep, my voice on a nice little graphical display. So, off to Paris.
Final call for immediate boarding, gate number 61.
Okay, I'm back with my PDA. Now because I've got a PDA, I need to copy my Sound Around You directory onto my computer, so if I move it onto the desktop, with a normal mobile phone I don't need to do this. Okay, so I'm going to start the Sound Around You application. Clicking on the icon, here it is, and that's given me a whole list of options. Manual find, click on one of the audio files, and the client has loaded all the data. So if I select a file, I'm going to select audio 10, which is Versailles. It says it has all my opinion data, and I can play the file. Now the software gives me the option of changing my opinion. Playing the sound back, I don't think it was as pleasant as I thought it was. It's actually quite noisy, a lot of bustle, a lot of reverberation. I guess the reverberation was good, the bustle was bad. So I'm just going to change my opinion in terms of its chaoticness and stuff. Okay. So I just need to confirm my soundscape. Confirm and locate it. Now with a normal mobile phone, location is done via GPS, so it's all automatic. Because I'm using a PDA, I'm going to have to do this manually via Google Maps, but it's a fairly straightforward process. So I search for the chateau, there it is in the top corner, locate it, clicking, done. Okay, my soundscape's located, and it's just asking me why I came to the soundscape to measure it. Because it was an interesting place, the Versailles Hall of Mirrors. So I enter that data. We're done. So the last step now is going to be uploading. It'll ask me for my username when I registered with Sound Around You, and it's got some demographic data, basically my age and stuff. Upload. So my soundscape can be viewed and heard by soundaroundyou.com.